So when you look at my Gmail account, it's going to look a little bit different from yours because I have certain settings to make it more useful for me. In order to get yours to look like this, if this is indeed how you want it to look, I'm going to take you through the labs and the settings that were required to set up multiple inboxes and to label your Gmail. The first thing we're going to do is come over to the gear and then select settings from this menu. But I'm going to start with labs. You may want to turn on multiple inboxes. That's what I'm going to show you here in a moment. You may also want to experiment with auto advance, preview pane, and canned responses. You'll see examples of those in later tutorials. First of all, to use multiple inboxes, click the Enable Radial button and scroll up and click on Save Changes. Then come to your Labels menu, and you may want to add some labels. To add a new label, scroll down underneath System Labels, Categories, and Circles, all the way down to where it says Labels, and you'll find a button that says Create New Label. I'm going to create a new label for my host family contacts. And I'm going to put this under a label that already exists called Host Family Coordinator. I'll be able to keep emails to specific families separate from emails from the other people I work with in that department. Create, and it tells me that that label was created. Then I'm going to come to my inbox, and you'll see that I have an empty section. I want to have a section of my email where I get all of my host family emails. So I'm going to click on Add Section, More Options, and then find Host Family Coordinator in my list. You'll notice that that will also pull in Host Family Coordinator Host Family Contacts because that label is connected with that main topic. Now that I've applied that setting, in my inbox I have Host Family Coordinators as a separate inbox, and you'll notice that I've already gotten some things there that have been labeled Host Family Coordinator. Additionally, I can assign certain people to certain labels so that their messages always go to the same place. Again, I'll go to Settings, then Filters. Then I'm going to create a new filter, and I'm going to say if it's from my Host Family Coordinator colleague, Crystal, I'm going to create a filter with this search by clicking this blue text, and I want it to apply the label Host Family Coordinator. And I could choose to always mark it as important. That would mean it would go into my top section, but for now I'm just going to put it in this label. I will create a filter. You can, at this point, also apply that filter to any messages that already match in your inbox, and then click on Create Filter. Now when I go back to my inbox and I look under All Host Family Coordinators, there are the messages. Any new messages from Crystal will come directly to this mailbox because they've been labeled. Any messages from Crystal's email will be labeled Host Family Coordinator.